Hey, 7th and 8th graders. So today you're going to be taking a basic math skills survey. This survey is in a Google Slides presentation, and you'll be able to write right on these slides for your answers. So I don't want you to use a calculator with this. It's not for a grade. It's just to kind of see where you guys are at. So since we had a crazy year last year, we left off at random places. Kind of need to see where you guys are at in order to figure out what I need to start teaching at. So, not for a grade. If you get it wrong, that's okay. If you don't know how to answer it, that's fine too, okay? But I want you to give this your best shot so I know what I need to be teaching. So, I'm just going to give you a quick lowdown on how to use this tool. So, you're going to have your own basic skills survey that you're going to fill out and then turn in on Google Classroom. In order to write on this basic skills survey, you are going to come up here to this line tool. You're not going to click on this line though, okay? You're going to click on the arrow next to it. And then I want you to come all the way down to the bottom and choose Scribble, okay? So once again, that tool is up here where the lines are. You're going to click on the arrow next to it and you're going to choose Scribble. So what I'm expecting of you is you can solve these if you want right in the area that's given here, or if you would rather solve it on a separate piece of paper and just write your answers up here, that's totally fine. But remember, no calculator on this. Just show me what you know using your brain. But after you choose that Scribble tool, remember, down arrow, Scribble. If your answer here is 54, okay, you are going to click and draw a 5 and let go. And then you have to click the Scribble again to draw the 4. So anytime you let go of the click, you have to bring it back up. Okay. So there's a 5. I don't know what happened to my 4. Let's try it again. 54. There it is. So I would know that for number 1, your answer was 54. I don't know if that's right or not. I just wanted to show you how to use the Scribble tool, okay? So once again, if say my answer for number 4 is 3, I'm going to come up here, click on Scribble, and then click and draw the 3. Mine's being a little funky right now. Usually it doesn't do that, but there's my 3. If you do go to draw a number, say a 2, and you let go, it's only going to do part of that 2. So you have to make sure to do the complete number before you let go. Okay, do your best with it. I'll be able to tell what number that you were going for. But there's a few different operations on here. It wants to know adding and subtracting. I'm just going to get rid of this. It wants to know decimals, if you remember decimals, place values, rounding, integers, so positive and negative numbers, and then graphing, okay? So this is something that I know that you guys have all learned, so give it your best shot. I want to see what you remember, not a grade, but this is going to be due today. And then if you have extra time at the end and you don't have your Netflix project turned in, please finish that. I'll accept it until Monday. So if you need to finish it over the weekend, that's fine. But as of Monday, it goes in the grade book. Remember, it's credit or no credit. So if you do it, you get credit. If you don't, it's no credit. Okay? That is all I have for you today, guys. So if you finish this Netflix project, if not, I'll have a different activity up for you to finish out the rest of the hour. But otherwise, have a wonderful weekend, guys. You've been rocking this first week. Super proud of how you guys are handling all of this. And we will talk to you next week.